Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing visas that will guarantee admission to Thailand. And to be clear, let me state this unequivocally as of the time of this video. There is no visa which will do that. There is no visa on earth that guarantees entry to a given country. The proper document that provides that level of certainty is a passport, and one has to be, generally speaking, a citizen of a given country to be issued a passport. So, long story short, what visa is going to guarantee you entry to Thailand? None as of the time of this video. On top of that, the visas that one can even use to get into Thailand are relatively truncated as a practical matter. And for purposes of folks watching this video, we're mostly talking about O visas for family members of Thai nationals and B visas with work authorization for anyone else. So if you don't have one of those two visas, yes, there are ED visas, but they've been very narrowly defined with respect to the visas that will be allowed entry to Thailand under the ED category. And yes, there are medical visas if someone has a medical need, but again, narrow subsets of circumstances. Most standard non-immigrants that we're going to see coming in to Thailand are going to be B and O visas, at least for the foreseeable future. And of those, which provides a guarantee, again, none. But in my opinion, both of those are relatively sound avenues for seeking entry to Thailand. And by sound avenues, I mean you have a level of certainty that if you follow the rules and if you meet the eligibility criteria, you're probably going to ultimately get issued the travel document and ultimately be admitted to Thailand, provided you don't have any other issues that cause you to be deemed inadmissible. So again, while no guarantee can be provided, the B and the O visa, to me, as of the time of this video, for most folks, are going to be the only practical and available options. And so long as eligibility requirements are met and all the formalities are adhered to, and one goes through all the processes that they need to go to in order to physically travel to Thailand, it is possible to enter Thailand on one of those travel documents.